What if I told you this blurry, low-quality video can turn into crystal-clear 4K in just seconds? No expensive software, no editing skills, no multiple AI tools. Just one powerful tool that can upscale, enhance, restore, and transform your media instantly. In this video, I'll show you how you can take any low-resolution video or image and turn it into stunning high-quality 4K and even 8K results using AI. Stick till the end, because the difference will blow your mind. Before start today's video, welcome back to ManuAGI tutorials. Here, we explore the exciting world of AI, latest AI tools for you, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest AI insights. You will find the link in the description box. Simply download and install on your computer VideoProc Converter AI for free. After installing, this is VideoProc Converter AI. Its powerful AI upscales videos to 4K and images to 8K for stunning results. Let's upgrade one of our video clips. Simply select the video. First, let's select any video footage. Now, on the right side, you'll see multiple AI upscaling options. For this example, we'll use the Gen Detail AI model to upscale the video. As you can see, the original video resolution is 1080p. We're going to upscale it to 4K and enhance its overall quality. After a short processing time, you can compare the before and after results. The difference is clearly noticeable. The video has now been successfully upscaled to 4K resolution, and there is no blurriness at all. It looks incredibly sharp, and even the smallest details are now much clearer and more visible. Let's try another example. Here, I've selected a different video footage. First, we'll convert it to 4K resolution and then apply enhancement. After a brief processing period, you can see the before and after comparison. The enhanced version is significantly clearer, with improved sharpness, detail, and overall visual quality. Also, you can upscale images to 4K, 8K, or even 10K resolution. Now, I'm selecting an image with very low resolution. We'll use AI to upscale it to a higher resolution and enhance its overall quality. Once the processing is complete, you'll be able to see a significant improvement in sharpness, clarity, and detail. Currently, our image has been enhanced and upscaled by 2 times. Now, we'll take it a step further by upscaling and enhancing it by 4 times, increasing the resolution all the way up to 8K. This will result in significantly sharper details, improved clarity, and a much higher quality image overall. Also, the face restoration feature. This is specifically designed to repair and enhance facial details with natural, lifelike results. It is ideal for group photos, portraits, and restoring old or damaged photographs, bringing back clarity, sharpness, and realistic facial features. Shaky. The AI works to enhance faces with superior clarity and precise details, ensuring that the results look natural rather than over-processed. Install VideoProc Converter AI. Everything in one tool. Upscale, enhance, restore, convert, and more in seconds. You can check out their website if you wish. The link is provided in the description. All information related to this tool is provided here. You get a comprehensive AI toolkit all-in-one to upscale videos to 4K and images to 10K for stunning visual clarity.